versus Alliance 1, 25-84, missing their moral placement. It drops down and they grab an algae on the red side of the field. SuperNURDs already putting 2 level 4 corals on the line. Again, grabbing an algae after blast, placing an L4 coral. Going into telly up, Alliance 1 is 30 points, Alliance 4 is 19. SuperNURDs placing a level 4 coral, rushing over to their net, raising an algae up, shooting it in, and going back to their coral station. All in one shot, both moving up. 25-84, clearing up the blue reef, getting those algae into the blue net. 498 misses with that 4 corals. SuperNURDs placing down 3, HighTide on the 4. SuperNURDs now dropping an algae off in their net once again. Cobra Commanders getting a coral on the 4th level of the blue reef. HighTide coming in, dropping theirs. But SuperNURDs close to level 4 coral, grabs the algae off of the reef, and misses it. Oh, and he falls into their net. Still goes on an algae, but they get up to the 498, placing it at the coral station. And they're dropping that coral. SuperNURDs trying to get algae off the ground. They're being hit by all the coral on the floor. Lane to the west, dropping their coral while trying to place. We have a minute to go. Alliance 1 is going to lead 16-69. 399 Eagle Robotics is doing some defense on the red side of the field, but it isn't really entering. They're out of Alliance. 32-55 getting another algae in. 498 zooming back and forth between their coral station and their reef, trying to fill up the 4th level. 45 seconds to go with Eagle Robotics trying to defend SuperNURDs, but SuperNURDs grabs an algae off the ground, lifts their elevator up, and throws it in, landing it into the net. HighTide placing the last L4 coral for the Red Alliance. Cobra Commanders second to last for blue. 25-84, Lane to the west, placing a level 3 coral, but it falls down. Cobra Commanders trying to finish on the 4th level of their reef. They do it. 20 seconds to go. Robots, it's time to dive. They're going in for Team Cages, HighTide, and the SuperNURDs, both trying to fly. They have 10 seconds remaining with a 50-point lead. HighTide